Hey guys, welcome back to XDA. Today we're going to take a look at an application that should simplify the process of using the copy function within our Android system. Let's check it out. So first thing we want to do obviously is download and install the application. It's called Easy Copy. Once you install it, you need to make sure that it's turned on, and then we could be able to go ahead and set up some things in it. The main benefits of this is that it actually works in the background and it interacts with you through your copy paste button. So we'll go in. First thing is you get the ability to customize a list. Everything from above open pop-up video player here was pre-configured for me. You do have the ability of disabling them if you don't normally use these functionalities. So in a sense here, it will copy and paste it into your dialer, copy and paste it into your location, which is Google Maps, search, SMS for my text messaging, email for Gmail by default. And for email, actually, if you try to go with email, if you don't have a default mail app pre-configured and you have more than one client, it will ask you for that. And then the ability also, well, actually we'll go back one time. You do have the ability of adding your own actions, which is what I did here with the awesome pop-up player. This is so in case I say I saw a YouTube video link, I'll be able to just send that link directly in and then use pop-up video player. The other thing here, the ability is the actions. Essentially, for translation, it uses Google Translate, and for calendars, it's going to create a new calendar event if you share it there. And of course, you do have the ability of blacklisting applications so that this does not interface with you at that point. Last but not least, here is the ability of sharing the application if you like it, upgrading to Copy Plus. If you definitely like to support the developer, please go ahead and do so. Easy Copy Quick Start, you normally are greeted with this when you first start up the application, when you first install it at least, and then it goes away. Contacting them, and of course the latest version. And please check the actual link in the description below for the information on the XDA thread. So this is a normal page. My normal concern here would be is I want to copy this and I want to be able to copy an address. We're using this obviously as an example, but I'm just going to show you guys real quick. I highlighted the text. There's nothing special. The Google on tap, that's part of Chrome. That's not really part of what we're doing here. I'll say copy, and automatically it brings up a list of the actions that we were looking at before. If you noticed, open the awesome pop-up layer is right there. I do have the ability of using the normal standard system share, or I can send it as an email. I can do a Google search, but had it been an address, I can say locate, and it'll open up Google Maps, pop it in directly into the search box, and then it'll open it up. Coincidentally, it's bringing Oracle softwares, but that's just a different, that's a coincidence. But again, one of those things, again, you could have just basically done download, and then we'll say copy, and an example would be next time is I want to do a Google search. And it'll open up Google now, pop up the actual download, and it'll start bringing up anything that relates to the word download. Really good, really functional, and it works from anywhere in the system that the word, obviously the ability of copying. The functionality of the application is really nice. It actually works in the background. You don't really have to interact with it once you set it up, other than when you copy something. If you want to be able to basically customize that list, as I showed you guys with the hands-on, there's always that plus sign to be able to add that functionality. I like the fact that you can add more things. And they are updating it. I think the last update was adding the German translation into it, so the developer is definitely engaged with it. There is a free and a pro version that's available on the market. Please check it out in the free version, and if you do like it, definitely support the developer as this supports further development and progress to this application and further requests if you put in a request for this. Other than that, I think it's simple enough that it works. It makes it so that it's easy to basically copy and paste things quickly. You don't have to really worry about copying, opening the other application, finding the actual text input, putting it in and pasting it, and then doing the search. That process takes a lot longer than it just copy, share directly with Google, share directly with Google Maps, either Google Now, and then do the search right away. It's really quick, really easy. And then also you can also send it directly into email. So let's say you find paragraphs you want to just copy straight into an email. It does that right away. So hope you guys like this. Let me know what you guys think of this application. It was a nice little find here that I got contacted by the developer. Thank you very much. And as usual, like and subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.